Hi everyone, here we've got ALCATEL 3X from 2020 and let me show you how to set the camera timer on this device. So actually all you have to do is simply enter the camera app, just tap on it, and as you can see on this panel on the third position we've got the timer option. Now it is obviously off. In order to show much more timer options, just tap on it. And as you can see here we've got another 3 options to choose from. We can set either 2, 5 or 8 seconds delay. So let me pick for example 8 seconds delay. Simply tap on the time you want to use. As you can see the icon has changed, and let's tap on the shutter button. And as you can see from now on your device will count down from 8 and after that time it will take a photo. Okay, now let's check another option. Let's tap on the timer icon again and let's choose for example the 5 seconds. The icon has changed also. Let's time on the shutter button and now it is counting down from 5. Now let's turn it off, just tap on the timer and click on this icon right here. And from now on your device will take photos right after touching the shutter button. So that's all. This is how to set camera timer in your ALCATEL 3X from 2020. Thank you so much for watching, and if you find this video was helpful, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.